Good evening, everyone. Thank you for coming out. Nature's Secret is a song cycle reflecting on our relationship with the natural world, its resilience, its suffering, and its serenity. Whilst environmental challenges like drought and climate change are real, the song cycle speaks to the human choices that deepen these crises, especially corruption and inequality. Tonight, I'm honored to present the song cycle with the amazing Egyptian pianist Lamis and my fellow South African composer and opera singer Marieke Koker. I hope you enjoy.